This is just a quick tutorial for the Waterfall Disc Hidden Paperclip. I'm just putting together the base here. This is just, you need to fold them in half. The inner base, you pop the paperclip on top and then put some glue on there and then attach it to the base cover. You can glue on one side and then on the other. And fold it and press it down so that the paperclip is fully covered. It might be a little lumpy because my paperclip is so big. Now I'm scoring the line and folding over the discs so that they will be back to back. Now we're going to glue that down and then cut them out. If you prefer to cut them first and then glue them together, you can certainly do that. Okay, so I'm just scoring along the fold lines quite strongly. This is for our waterfall mechanism. So we need these lines as perfect as possible and the folds need to be as crisp as possible. So now I'm just folding in those lines and I'm going to press them. I'm just working one by one. So you'll notice I have the smaller tab facing front. So I'm just doing all 5 of those. Okay, so we're going to attach our waterfall mechanism to the mechanism cover. So I'm just going to apply glue here to the back of this and then pop it there right in the center. It's important to have everything lining up or the waterfall mechanism won't be able to run smoothly. See, that's how it works. The next thing we're going to do is pop our discs onto our folds. There's only a teeny tiny little spot to put glue, so I'm using my glue sheet and just lining up a piece of paper so I can just keep that a little bit neater. We don't want to accidentally glue our discs together because then the waterfall mechanism won't run very well. It's a good idea to leave things to dry in between steps for this part, but I'm not going to because I'm just making this tutorial video as quickly as possible. So I'm just going to go through and attach the rest of the discs, making sure to only glue that small area. I'm just working one at a time. I've started at the very back and we're working our way towards the front disc. You can check in between discs that your waterfall mechanism is flowing nicely. It is actually a good idea to try it so that we don't accidentally glue bits together. Last one. Okay, we're going to glue the other part of the mechanism cover down now. It's important that you only do the very edge and don't get too close to the top with the glue because the discs actually retract inside the mechanism. So if you just put mostly down the bottom and just the very outer lines, and you should see how well your mechanism works now. Oh, never gets old. So I've just fixed a few things there. I slightly folded out the back of the mechanism just to enable the discs to go down in between the layers a bit easier and more smoothly. So now I'm sticking the whole entire thing onto the base of the hidden paperclip. So we're almost finished.